I'm going to show you a quick hack on how never to lose your ChatGPT history again. Do you remember, see all your chats that are going on? That's the history of all of your chats. So if I click on, let's say I want to do social media post generation. So I have all of these on here, okay? And what happens, and you know what happened just a couple of weeks ago, depends on, of course, when you're watching my video. But one of the things that happened, in case this is in the future, is one day we all lost our chat history. ChatGPT was doing an update, and all of these were gone. So there's a lot of them. So I'm going to teach you a little hack today. So this little tip, so you will never ever lose your history. So even if chat goes down, like if they go down and they say your history is going to be lost for a while, you can still access it. So while everyone else is freaking out, I'm going to show you a little tip here. What you're going to do is you're going to go over here to Google Documents. You're going to open up a document. I'm just doing this to be safe, but what I recommend is for each one of your documents to have the name of one of your chats. So for Black Bear Diners Marketing, like I would put that, and that would be, instead of chat GPT URL links to chats, it would be the name of that chat. So that way you can look them up. But for the sake of speed and doing this very easily, I am going to just show you this really quick. So you're going to type, just, I called this chat GPT URL links to chats, the name of the chat. So I'm going to put here social media posts creation, oops, sorry. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to click on that, which I did, right? So I'm going to click on again. So now we have our prompts and our output right here, right? All my prompts are here. Everything's here. So now what I'm going to do is right up here in the URL, so easy. I'm just going to copy this. You see that long URL right here? Do you see that? See my mouse? Okay. So we're going to grab that URL. We're going to Control C, or Command C, I'm sorry, Command C, come over here, Command V, and there we have it. We can click. So now if we open up this link and go there, it's redirecting and it's going to open right to our chat. See that? Isn't that cool? I will tell you, it is the coolest tip I have learned since starting with ChatGPT. This is amazing. So make sure you log this, watch this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for all things digital marketing to help you with your outsourcing, using your virtual assistants, and strategies for business. So make sure you're getting my notifications when I post these new videos. All right. So thanks so much for listening.